This technical note presents the bump sign after anatomical repair of medial meniscus posterior root tear. The authors have no disclosures. The patient is positioned supine on the operative table. A padded tourniquet is applied to the upper thigh and a lateral post is placed at the level of the tourniquet. A foot roll is also applied to keep the knee flexed to 90 degrees. The leg is then prepped and draped for knee arthroscopy. A high anterolateral viewing portal is established, followed by an anteromedial portal under direct visualization. Standard diagnostic arthroscopy is performed, demonstrating a tight medial compartment. A small incision is made in the anteromedial aspect of the proximal tibia, roughly 5 to 6 cm below the joint line and medial to the tibial tuberosity. The superficial medial collateral ligament is released with a rasp to provide adequate access and working space in the medial compartment. At this stage, the medial compartment is easily inspected and the root tear confirmed. A tibial guide is inserted from the anteromedial portal and the guide wire is passed to the medial meniscus posterior root attachment site. Upon confirming the desired guide wire placement, a 4.5 mm tunnel is then created using a cannulated drill. The drill is kept in place with the tip inside the tibial tunnel to prevent excessive saline leakage. A curette is then used to remove a small piece of cartilage surrounding the tunnel. This will expose bleeding bone to promote meniscus healing at the repair site. A self-retrieving suture passing device is used to shuttle each suture tape in a simple cinch knot configuration. A number 1 PDS suture is also passed through the meniscus in a simple stitch configuration, making it 3 sutures in total. The cannulated drill is advanced into the joint and the PDS suture in a loop configuration is passed inside the drill and retrieved to the anteromedial portal, along with the other 6 free ends of the meniscal sutures. The PDS loop is used to shuttle the sutures transtibially through the tunnel to the anteromedial aspect of the tibia. The bump sign maneuver is performed. With the foot on the foot holder and the knee flexed at 90 degrees, the surgeon pulls all the sutures simultaneously. When the sutures are pulled, the meniscus is reduced to its native insertion and tensioned, provoking an upward motion of the medial femoral condyle. Tibial fixation is obtained with a 4-hole round cortical button. Each tape free end is distributed in opposite positions. The PDS suture is placed in the same holes as one of the pairs. This PDS suture is used to push the button against the tibia and tension the repair using a sliding knot. The suture tapes are then tied by the pair one at a time. A final arthroscopic evaluation is performed to confirm that an anatomic and stable fixation was obtained. Thank you for listening.